Welcome to our Countertop Showdown, where we compare two popular nugget ice makers, the Kismile and the Silonn. Both machines promise to deliver soft, chewable ice, but they have distinct features that may sway your decision. Let's dive into their specifications, performance, and overall value to find out which one reigns supreme in the world of nugget ice makers. Let's start with the price. The Kismile Nugget Ice Maker is priced at $219, making it the more affordable option compared to the Silonn, which retails for $249.98. While both machines offer similar features, the Kismile provides a slight edge in terms of cost, making it an attractive choice for budget-conscious buyers. Next, let's discuss ice production speed. The Silonn Nugget Ice Maker boasts an impressive feature, producing ice in just 6 minutes, which is a significant advantage for those who need ice quickly. In contrast, the Kismile does not specify its startup time, which may leave potential buyers wondering about its efficiency in this area. Finally, let's look at cleaning ease. The Silonn Nugget Ice Maker features a detachable top, making it easier to clean thoroughly, alongside its self-cleaning function. The Kismile, while it does offer self-cleaning, lacks the same level of accessibility for deep cleaning. This could be a deciding factor for users who prioritize maintenance and hygiene. In conclusion, both the Kismile and Silonn Nugget Ice Makers have their unique advantages. The Kismile is the budget-friendly option with a higher daily output, while the Silonn excels in speed and ease of cleaning. Depending on your priorities, either could be the perfect addition to your kitchen. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.